Hello everyone, in this episode I'm gonna go through the operator precedence in JavaScript, so let's get going. So, the operator precedence in JavaScript means the order in which math calculations are done. It's very similar, or actually it's identical to the traditional school mathematics. So first we will calculate everything inside of parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division and modulus, and we will go from left to right, and the last step is to do addition and subtraction from left to right. So I'm gonna give you a few examples. First, I'm gonna take this paragraph from my HTML file, so I'm gonna make a reference. Const result equals document.get element by ID, and the ID is example. Okay, so I'm gonna start with an easy one. So here we have a calculation. 2 plus 5 times 6 divided by 3. So when we are going through this list, we first check for any parentheses. Well, there's none. Then we check for exponents. There's none. Then we are going to check for multiplication. We have one over here, so we'll work our way from the left to the right. So 5 times 6 is going to be 30. And I'm gonna open my website. And I'm gonna take the result dot text content and make it equal to the calculation result. So we know that the result is gonna be 12. How do we come to that? Well, by working our way from the left to the right, the first is going to be the multiplication. 5 times 6, that's 30. Then there's a division over here. So 30 divided by 3 is going to be 10, and 2 plus 10 is going to be 12. And that's how we get the result of this calculation. I'm gonna give you another one. Alright, here's our next calculation. So this time we have some parentheses in here. So parentheses are the number one thing that we'll calculate. So 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3. And then we are going to do the multiplication because there's no exponents. So 5 times 3 is going to be 15. Then we will divide 15 by 2. That will result in 7.5. And then we will add 7.5 plus 3, and that's gonna be 10.5. So yeah, that's another one. I'm gonna give you one more example about this. Okay, so this is gonna be the most difficult one. So first, we'll solve the parentheses. So we will work from the left to right, and this is the first one. So 2 to the power of 4. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's gonna be 2 times 2 is gonna be 4. 2 times 4 is gonna be 8. And 8 times 2 is gonna be 16. And by the way, the calculation result is already being shown on the web page. It's gonna be 35. But anyways, this is gonna be 16. So there we go. Alright, then we have another set of parentheses. 8 times 2. That's gonna be 16. Okay, so now the parentheses have been solved. And if you have parentheses with exponents inside, those need to be calculated first. So yeah, this is the order. Alright, let's continue. Next, we gotta do the division right over here. So 16 divided by 4 is going to be 4. Alright? And then we only have addition and subtraction remaining. So we will go from the left to right, and 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. 34 minus 15 is 19. So we can take this out from here. Alright. And then what we got remaining is 19 plus 16, which is equal to 35. So yeah, that's the operator precedence in JavaScript. It works the same way as traditional school mathematics, and yeah, this is used in math, and this is definitely something to know. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this episode. I hope you were able to learn something new in this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Happy learning, everyone, and have a wonderful day.